Hello and welcome to a special episode of RPA Master School.
I'm very excited to announce our new program, which is RPA Master School.
We'll have two different classes, at least to begin with. There will be a fundamentals and there will be an advanced class.
What makes RPA Master School unique in this sense?
We provide very specific instructor-led practical courses which will help you to get comfortable with RPA technology.
We will follow on the learning plan of the UiPath courses, but we will add the practical, the value that you can use in your own company as well.
We want to make sure that you successfully transition to the real work at your company. So we offer you a support, continuous support when you go back. And if you still have any questions or you need some help to design your automation, you can always reach back to your instructor and get that help.
We only have 7 people in the training to ensure that there will be time enough for everyone.
Here at RPA Master School, that's where we're going to help you fill the gap to make sure that you're taking your intelligent automation projects and pushing them into real-world production scenarios faster.